The cancer burden continues to grow in the world. There's more than 12 million cancer patients today diagnosed each year, and we expect that to more than double by 2035. At Varian, more than anything else, we're about bringing to pass a world without the fear of cancer.
Our mission was to make a system that was tremendously easy to use and that could make an impact all over the world with bringing more cancer care to more patients everywhere.
This is a very exciting time right now. We are launching Varian's newest platform called Halcyon, and it has been completely transformative. It's a new system from start to finish. It includes the latest and greatest in technologies with a new stacked multi-leaf collimator, solid-state modulator, as well as a 4 RPM ring gantry design. And in addition to the new technologies that come with Halcyon, also comes a human-centered design focus. What we wanted to do was to hide all of that complexity and to simplify and automate the system as much as we possibly could to make it easy for those therapists and physicists and physicians who are treating patients around the globe.
When we asked clinicians what were some of those future challenges going to be, they wanted predictability in scheduling their patients. And it wasn't so much the technology, but really thinking about the patient and thinking about the clinical operations of the hospital. In order to make it very comfortable for the patient, we've got a really wide, spacious, open center area. And in fact, this is also our quietest machine ever. It used to be up to 30 steps to deliver a complex treatment, and we've got that down to about 9 steps. And it's the same for every patient, regardless of what kind of treatment it is. We've been testing this device with our clinician partners, and we believe that we're able to significantly reduce the time spent actually delivering treatments. The treatment time is less than half of what we expect on conventional machines. Less time on the machine means the patients are more comfortable. The clinicians can more predictably schedule their patients.
Radiotherapy is a huge piece of fighting the growing cancer need across the world, and we think this Halcyon product plays right into that.
We've got a brand new patented dual-layer MLC. That's the device that shapes the beam. Every patient is unique. Radiotherapy really is personalized medicine already. We don't talk about it enough. In order to do that, we have to shape the beams exactly to that anatomy.
Today, if you're going to adopt Halcyon, it means that you're getting a very reliable machine that will deliver high quality, high throughput treatments. And your clinical operations day to day are going to be much more simplified.
Our goal has been to bring a product to market that really enables our customers to really achieve the high volume need that they have, lowering their total cost of ownership, helping them bring this technology to all the patients who need it.
We believe that providing the newest capabilities to healthcare providers around the world will help make cancer a chronically managed disease and eliminate the fear of that diagnosis.
Radiation treatments may cause side effects that can vary depending on the part of the body being treated. The most frequent ones are typically temporary and may include, but are not limited to, irritation to the respiratory, digestive, urinary, or reproductive systems, fatigue, nausea, skin irritation, and hair loss. In some patients, they can be severe. Treatment sessions may vary in complexity and time. Radiation treatment is not appropriate for all cancers.